Students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we gonna learn name of planets. In today's video we will learn the name of each planet with their pictures. I have created a model for this purpose. As you can see on your screen, this is a sun basically is not a planet, but planets
Rotate.
rotate around sun. First we have Mercury. Next one is Venus. Then our planet Earth. Earth. Next one Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Last but not the least, Neptune. We also have another planet here that was Pluto, but recently we lost that planet. So hope you guys learned something new and liked my video, also liked my model. So if you liked my video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your loved ones.